call me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god. Let's go.
All right. Doing what I'm not supposed to do. Inside the motor pool. Woo. Yep. So I'm here to repair this. This is pin that goes here is missing. Nobody here. Being safe. Okay. But problem is this right here is missing this pin. I thought about putting a bolt with a nut on the bottom. It goes through. Okay. But the problem with that is that the nut interferes with the operation of the pintle. You know, this is a quick release pintle. Release right here and then pull it back. Well, you need both hands for that. But yeah, I think I showed it on another video. So to be able to open this, hook up to the trailer, you have to pull this lever and then at the same time pull this one backwards this way and put a bolt through it with a nut on the bottom. Every time the trailer goes back in, it pushes this part in and everything goes back to normal automatically. You don't have to be here for that operation. Problem with that is that the nut gets stuck on the open position and it won't lock, and then you have to have somebody underneath this whole deal right here to raise up the pin and then let it go back and then risking injury. So I'm gonna show you how it works. Look at, see how that works? That's how the containers, and that's a small one, that's a 20 footer. You need a 30 footer or so on. See that portion right there overhangs over the TowPintle, and I already fixed that one. I can show you. I already fixed this one. Put a bolt through it. See? I welded it because this one also had a nut on the bottom and it was interfering with the operation of the pintle. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other one.
Like a weapon, fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession, I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex, haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation.
You call me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god.
I don't know how to stop. I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work
like it never happened. Look at that. It's a caging bolt. Here's my bubble gum weld. It'll do. We did order one of these, and it took almost a year for us to figure out that it's never gonna come in. Apparently the manufacturer is not making them anymore, so we even try to order parts, they never come in. Order the whole thing, they never come in. Apparently you gotta order the whole back of the vehicle, like the whole deal. Even this plastic rails, that's where the cables go, because this is collapsible too. You can extend it all the way to up to here, and then make it easier for you to connect the trailer with the container overhanging over top of you. So you can extend this all the way back, and these connectors, that one and that one, and even the air hoses, they run on this rail, that rail system. See how long it is? It goes all the way back there. So you can just pull it this way and make it longer. And we even try to order that whole assembly, and nobody's making them anymore. So that's why we're fixing it like this. You know, you might say it's a hack job, but it works. It works. And then again, I think these vehicles are going away. We're gonna get new ones. It looks kind of like a regular 5-ton in the front. It's not like an LMTV. Look like a regular 5-ton, but they do the same thing. They're LHSs too. They are load handling systems. The hook goes back, and you hook up. And that A-frame, that big old thing, is so you can connect the containers. Containers that don't have the hook in the front like that. The hook connects to the A-frame, and the A-frame is called the shoe. Container handling unit. And yeah, these vehicles are going away anyway, but in the meantime we're fixing them like that. It just makes sense to me. Yep. Oh yeah, I got to say, we had a little friend right there growing. This vehicle has been down so long for I think it's an alternator that it needs. And yeah, that big old alternator right there. And we're waiting on the alternators, but it was down for so long that birds are starting to make nests on it. But yeah, I try not to bother them. I think there's a couple of eggs in there, maybe like 3, but I don't want to touch them. Just leave them alone. All right. Laters.